What excites me about understanding cancer is that the causes of the disease are so varied. We're always discovering a new piece of the puzzle, and it's always a different puzzle we're figuring out. Because as technology is advancing, we have a much more sophisticated appreciation of the disease. And now it's more about what do we do about it, right? And how do we take advantage of this information to help people?
Ramon has been an inspirational leader of our Tisch Cancer Institute. In addition, Ramon is an extraordinary researcher in cancer genetics and breast cancer in particular. His monumental discovery of a tumor suppressor gene that is often mutated in cancer was a critical breakthrough that has influenced the world's understanding of cancer and other diseases. Ramon is dedicated to identifying what causes normal cells to develop into cancer cells, an outcome that can result in new treatments for multiple cancers.
Dr. Parsons worked on one of the major discoveries in colon cancer, and that is the basis for Lynch syndrome. He continued his research as an independent investigator and again became involved in a discovery of a gene that turns out to be one of the most frequently mutated cancer genes ever found. These are mind-bogglingly important discoveries. What is amazing to me is that he's not only been able to continue his research, but he's been able to take on building the cancer program here at Mount Sinai.
Taking the helm as director of Tisch Cancer Institute was super exciting for me. I really wanted to focus on trying to become a comprehensive cancer center, meaning we have really strong basic research, we have really strong clinical research, and we have really strong population health research.
Under Dr. Parsons, our immunotherapy program and cancer vaccine program has become world-class under his support and with his enthusiasm. He has an extended cancer genetics beyond the laboratory, for example in Harlem, where there's a higher rate of prostate cancer. And can we understand why that's the case, and what are the genetic differences that might result in those higher rates?
Now is the time for patients with cancer to be helpful. There's so many different options that are available that were not available 2 years ago, 4 years ago, 10 years ago. I think that the momentum is not going to be abating anytime soon.
Honoring Dr. Parsons with the Jacobi Medallion, we are honoring one of the most distinguished faculty at Mount Sinai who has made in short 10 years enormous contributions, taking our Tisch Cancer Institute to a national prominence. I just couldn't think of anybody more deserving of this award.
I'm really humbled and honored to be a recipient because it tells me that my peers feel like I've had an impact here. By helping scientists be successful at the Tisch Cancer Institute, I feel like I am helping the greater mission to try to beat cancer.